Hello, this is Leah again from Imagine DIY, and we have another tutorial for the Lucy invitation in white. This is really easy to make. All the templates and the product list are on our website, imaginediy.co.uk, and this one is really easy. So the printable template, it includes the front and the back, so you're printing both sides and then just slotting into the Lucy invitation, the blank laser cut invitation. And then we're just going to decorate it with a really pretty bow. Bows are really easy, so I'm just going to show here. If you can see, I'm making 2 loops. I'm basically just tying the loops into a knot, so pushing the loop through the hole. And then we're just going to tease the bow into place just by pulling and readjusting. So we're just basically loosening and pulling until we've got the bow into a really nice shape. And once we're happy, we can use the scissors and just trim the edges. I like to use an inverted V shape, and that gives a really nice chic finish to the bow. So once we've done that, we're going to use a glue gun just to put a small amount of glue on the back of the bow. Sorry, it's off camera a little. But we're then going to put our finger just behind where the bow goes and press the bow into place. Hold that just until the glue dries, and that will stop it sticking to your invitation. So then we're just going to do the same with the embellishment. We're going to turn the embellishment over, use a small amount of glue from the glue gun just to place on the back. And you'd use about the same amount for the bow as well. And then we're just going to press that into place on the bow. There, and you can see that's basically your invitation finished. So it's so pretty. Visit our website, see what you can make, but this one is a really lovely place to start. Thanks for watching the video, and hopefully we'll see you again. Bye.